It's Ready Set Homestead. I'm Kill, where the only fluff is the feathers or the sawdust. If you've recently been watching, I do woodworking. That's how I make my living. I do woodworking and then I also homestead. So one big thing is I'm very big on PPE, that's personal protection equipment. And I wanted to do a review, actually not even a review, just an unboxing of this RZ mask. I've seen it on a few different YouTube channels. I've seen it around. Now, this isn't for any kind of disease or anything of that nature. This is for sawdust. So I do a lot of stuff with sawdust. I do have a respirator that I have with actual filters on it to use whenever I'm doing a lot of stuff with chicken poop where there's a lot of particulates in the air. But it's important when you're working with sawdust and cutting that you have something to help you just with filtration. I've noticed on days that I don't use a mask that at the end of the night, my breathing isn't as well. And I also noticed that I got a lot of stuff inside my nose that comes out. So I was at Tractor Supply. Now I found these online for about 40 bucks. I was at Tractor Supply and I saw this on sale for $19.99. There was also one pack of filters. So there's 3 filters in this one. And the filters were 10 bucks. So I figured I'd go ahead and try it out, save 50%. Even more exciting is when I got to the register, instead of ringing up for $19.99 like it shows on sale, it rang up as $9.99. So I got the $40 mask for 10 bucks instead of 40, and I got the filters for $2.50 instead of 10. So pretty excited about this, but I'm just gonna open it up, kind of see what we're looking at inside here. It's supposed to be a really good mask. Again, I've seen a lot of different YouTubers. Biggest one is Matthew Peach. I watch a lot of his woodworking stuff. So we're just gonna check it out. It's got the instruction book. It actually has a nice bag with a carabiner that you can store it inside of. So that's kind of cool. And all right, so here's what it shows up as. You got your mask. On the inside, you have the replaceable filters. Here's another filter. So it comes with 2 filters. Now, if you look on the inside here, it's got a foam. So that'll be nice. But let's try it out. I am pretty excited about this one because it doesn't pull over the ears. It wraps around the face. The reason I'm excited about that is because I normally keep my earplugs, whatever you want to call them, the things that stop all the loud sound from coming in. So this, I can keep those on and I can put this on and off without having to remove the headphones nonstop. So it does have the filter lock. You can open this, you just twist it and it pulls off so you can change it. We're gonna leave it on though. Of course I took it off so now I have to mess with it. So there is a filter here. I guess that's for the breathing. Or does that come off? I feel like, nope. Oh, okay, it's actually a rubber piece. So this is your exhale. So you breathe in and you exhale and it allows it to come out. What have I done? I'm not gonna lie, it's not the easiest to get together. It could just be me. This is also kind of small for my fingers. Come on. All right, that was a pain. So let's go ahead and try this on, see how it feels. It says remove adhesive. All right, I'll tell you, it's definitely tight. It does have this right here. I think the biggest thing for me is it's gonna fog up when I put my glasses on. Hold on. So I'm not getting any sort of fog on the glasses, which is good. Because again, that's one of my biggest things. It does come with an extension strap. I might end up using this because I feel like this is pretty tight with my beard. But yeah, I mean, it definitely feels good. Got a little bit of fogging. but not much. I mean, it's a lot less than it is whenever I wear the surgical mask. So you got your RZ mask. I am going to try out these extension straps and see how they go. This isn't sponsored for. I'm not affiliated with RZ in any way, shape, or form. So you just have to watch my videos and see if you see me keep using it. If you don't see me using it, then you know how good it works. Stay safe out there. Make sure you wear filtration whenever you're working with any kind of sawdust or animal fecal particulates. And enjoy homesteading. This is Ray Homestead.